was a little dog named Chintu who had the strongest sneezes in the world. Whenever he sneezed, crazy things happened. Like one time he sneezed and blew his owner's hat straight into the river. Another time he sneezed and made the postman fly off his bicycle. And one big sneeze even knocked over the mayor's car. Asterisk, the whole town gave him the nickname Hurricane Chintu. Asterisk. One day, Chintu's owner took him to a cricket match. They were playing a big game against the neighboring town, and Chintu got very excited. He barked and jumped up and down, wagging his tail. But then it was time for him to take his position. He stood very still and looked very serious. Just as the game was about to begin, Chintu sneezed. And do you want to know what happened next? The ball flew up into the air and landed straight on the stumps. All the players started cheering. Chintu wins the match! Chintu wins the match! The neighboring team was very surprised, but they shook hands with Chintu anyway. And from that day on, he became the official team mascot of the town. Everyone loved him, especially the little girl. She was so happy that she could finally play with a real-life superhero. And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Did you like this story? Then be sure to stay tuned for more adventures of Chintu, the sneezing dog. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching. See you soon.